how to make YouTube channel unprivate or public. So that's what I'm going to show you in this video. So let's get started. Now first of all, there's no specific settings to make your channel public, but the steps I want to show you will help you make your channel public if it's private. So the first step, you need to sign in to YouTube Studio, and to do so, on your channel homepage in the top right hand corner of your screen, you need to click on your profile picture. Then from this pop-up options, come down here and click on YouTube Studio. Then you'll be signed into YouTube Studio. So next, go to your left hand panel and click on content, and your channel content will open up. Now on your right hand side, now under visibility of your contents, if they are private, just click on this drop down icon, then choose public from these options, right? And that video will be made a public. You can also do the same on several or multiple videos. So in this case, all you need to do is to click on filter up here, then from these options click on visibility. Next, you need to click on private. Once it's checked, come down here and click on apply. All video that has been set to private on your channel will be opened. Now the next thing you need to do, on top of your channel content, just check this box right here and all your videos will be selected. Next, on top of your video, you need to click on edit, then come to visibility from this pop-up options and click on it. Under visibility, you will see your videos are private. Just click on this drop down icon and select public from these options. Then after that, click on update videos, place in the top right hand corner of your screen to save your changes, and all your videos will be set to public. So in short, channel being private is the same as your videos being private. So you need to set your videos to public through the method I've shown you. So basically that's how you can make your channel unprivate or public. So I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.